1.5 years ago, like I was pretty young, so I can actually remember one or two things, especially from like the apartment complexes where we live in my like youth time there. But honestly, 1.5 years, I think if you ask everybody, they can't remember so much from this time. But we were there like a couple of times after, and I can remember some stuff from that. When I was like 5, 6, 7, we went a lot of times in the summer to visit our friends. And obviously now I have so many memories of the USA, which I would not been able to think of. No, Pauli, really familiar club. Everybody was there for each other. I enjoyed my time there because obviously I came there when I was, I think, 16 and was able to really go through all the youth teams and then also made my debut for the first team. And when I was, I think, 17, 18, Waldemar Sobota was already playing for the first team, great player for the first team, and also a great person because I met him like a couple of times in the gym, but then also was able to train with him a couple of times. Always really humble, nice guy. I played some games with Jakub, and then obviously I trained a lot of times with Adam. Also really hardworking player, good player. Even when it was not easy for him, he just kept going, and now he's playing Bundesliga. No, I think it was a mix of everything. I think they saw me also when I was there in the USA playing for the under-20 team, and then I think because of Ernst Tanner, the sporting director, they were also following dual players with the two citizenship, and I think that made it also really attractive, especially in this time because I had an American passport and a German passport, so I never had to get a visa, which obviously made it really easy for me to basically come to the USA within 1 week. So I think it was a mix of everything, and also I mean, Ernst saw also my play style. I think he was showing off a gym that would fit really good into the team, which basically did. In general, be able to hear the sound of Champions League when you would stand there would be, I think this is the dream of every child. I mean, I was able to play against Messi, which is also one thing based off my list now. But Champions League, this would be amazing. But even Europa League, the teams which are playing in this kind of competition, also amazing quality. But of course, it's still a long way. And especially this year where you have 2 Champions League spots in Extra Class, you can feel that a lot of teams were spending a lot of money and everybody is fighting for these 2 spots. But of course, we are doing our best to be minimum able to play for the Champions League qualification to have these chances. No, I think which makes us really good is that we have a good depth in the squad right now because we are able to rotate a lot. For example, I play Sunday, Wednesday, but I was on the bench on Saturday, but I still know that my job for the team is really important when I come on the pitch, and right now all the players are committed to one goal, which is winning a title with Jagiellonia. Like, okay, we won the Super Cup, but maybe, for example, the Pucha Polski is, I think, for everybody here in the club, a big target, but also the league, because right now we are in such a good position. It would be really shameful, basically, if we would lose this kind of place long term, but I would say to win a title and be able to celebrate it with our fans, because I saw how energetic they were after we finished for the 3rd place, which is good, but I want to imagine how it is if we win something really big. Yeah, I think it's a really hard schedule for us, because you saw we played a team from Malta which qualified the first time for international competition, and it was a really hard game because for these teams it's basically the game of their life, and every time they step on the field they want to be as hard to beat as possible. So and now we play Strasbourg, top team in Ligue 1, and they have players from Chelsea on loan, and they are selling their striker for 35 million, I think, next year to Chelsea. So, but that's exactly why I also joined Jagiellonia, because I knew I would be able to face these great teams and also develop myself. We play Strasbourg, AZ Alkmaar, Vallecano, amazing, or last year Betis Sevilla. To be able to play in these kind of games, always something I will look back for and will be happy that I made the step here.
Yeah!